In this video, we're going to be identifying the asymptotes of a rational function. So we're going to be determining the asymptotes for f of x equals 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 divided by x minus 2. So when we take a look here, we have our denominator x minus 2. And so if we take x minus 2 and we set that equal to 0, that gives us an x equals 2. So we have a vertical asymptote at x equals 2. Then we can take a look at our degrees. And here we have a degree of 2, and here we have a linear degree of 1. And because the degree of the numerator is exactly 1 greater than the degree of the denominator, we're not going to have a horizontal asymptote. But because our degree is exactly 1 greater than the degree of the denominator, we do have a slant asymptote. So to find our slant asymptote, we're going to do this division. And we can either use long division, or because we have this in a type of factored form with a linear variable, we can use synthetic division. So we're going to go ahead and use synthetic division. It's a little bit faster. Just set that up right now. So 2, negative 5, negative 3. And we're going to use the number 2, because if we take this x minus 2 and set it equal to 0, we get a 2. So we're bringing that down. So 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. We're going to put that up, add it. Negative 5 plus 4 is a negative 1. So now we're going to multiply 2 times negative 1, and that's going to give us a negative 2. We're going to add negative 3 and negative 2 and get a negative 5. So this is going to give us a 2x minus 1 minus 5 over x minus 2. And because as x approaches infinity, this number right here is going to be really, really close to 0, we can kind of ignore it for our slant asymptote. So our slant asymptote really is just going to be this part right here. So our slant asymptote will be y equals 2x minus 1. And so now we found all of our asymptotes. We have our vertical, our horizontal, and our slant. And so that's how you determine the asymptotes for your rational function.